Imagine whipping up crispy French fries, succulent chicken wings, or even a perfectly roasted veggie medley, all without drowning your food in oil or heating up the entire kitchen. This Cuisinart air fryer oven, 6-quart basket stainless steel, makes this dream a reality. Blending versatility, health-conscious cooking, and user-friendly design into one sleek countertop appliance. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone craving guilt-free indulgence, this air fryer oven is about to revolutionize your meal times. Let's dive into why this kitchen gem deserves a spot in your home. Why you'll fall in love with the Cuisinart air fryer oven. The Cuisinart air fryer oven isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a game changer that delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. With its 6-quart basket and 5 preset cooking modes, it's designed to tackle everything from quick snacks to family-sized feasts. Here's what makes it stand out. Versatile cooking options. Choose from 5 pre-programmed settings: French fries, wings, frozen snacks, vegetables, and leftovers, to cook your favorites with a single touch. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, or warming, this appliance handles it all. Healthier fried favorites. Craving that crispy crunch? The air fryer oven uses rapid hot air circulation to fry food with little to no oil, slashing calories without sacrificing flavor. Enjoy golden fries or tender wings guilt-free. Precision and control. A digital display, large viewing window, and toss reminder ensure your food cooks evenly. Adjust temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect results every time. No guesswork needed. Family-sized capacity. The spacious 6-quart basket can handle meals for the whole crew, from a pile of wings for game night to a tray of roasted veggies for Sunday dinner. Easy cleanup. With dishwasher-safe parts, post-cooking cleanup is a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your meal. Keep warm. Feature: done cooking but not ready to eat? The automatic warming mode keeps your food at the perfect temperature until you're ready to dig in. Durable design. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty, this stainless steel beauty is built to last, blending style and reliability in any kitchen. Solving your cooking struggles. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Between juggling busy schedules, trying to eat healthier, and avoiding a sink full of greasy pots, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The Cuisinart air fryer oven swoops in to save the day. Say goodbye to soggy microwave leftovers or calorie-laden deep-fried snacks. This air fryer oven delivers quick, easy, and healthy meals that fit your lifestyle. Its intuitive controls and presets take the stress out of cooking, while the large capacity means you can feed everyone without breaking a sweat. Plus, the toss reminder ensures even crisping, so you never end up with half-burnt, half-raw disasters. Who's this air fryer for? The Cuisinart air fryer oven is perfect for busy families. Whip up kid-friendly meals like fries or nuggets in minutes with enough space to feed the whole gang. Health-conscious foodies. Enjoy fried flavors without the oil, making it easier to stick to your wellness goals. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits neatly on countertops, ideal for apartments or cozy kitchens. Cooking novices. Presets and clear controls make it foolproof, even if you're not a kitchen pro. Entertainers. Impress guests with crispy appetizers or perfectly roasted dishes, all with minimal prep. Real-life results. What you can expect. Picture this. It's a hectic weeknight and everyone's hungry. You toss some frozen wings into the air fryer oven, hit the wings preset, and in under 20 minutes you've got a platter of crispy, juicy goodness without a drop of extra oil. The viewing window lets you check progress without opening the basket, and the toss reminder ensures every wing is perfectly golden. Later, you bake a batch of cookies using the bake mode, and they come out soft and chewy thanks to the precise temperature controls. Cleanup? Just pop the basket in the dishwasher and call it a night. This air fryer doesn't just cook, it simplifies your life. Why it's worth the investment. At first glance, you might wonder if an air fryer oven is worth the hype, but the Cuisinart air fryer oven isn't just about frying. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that replaces several appliances. No need for a separate toaster oven, deep fryer, or warming tray. Its stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the 3-year warranty gives peace of mind. Plus, with energy-efficient hot air cooking, you're saving on electricity compared to heating a full oven. For the price, you're getting versatility, durability, and healthier meals. What's not to love? If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.